You can see that today we got the ladies outside. We got the New Z, we got the 370 out there covered up because we are going to do the brakes on the GTR. Once you see them, you'll see they're pretty bad. I don't know when's the last time they've been done. We just got the car not that long ago, so we're going to take care of them. You can see here we've got DBA rotors, we have hawk pads, and then we have some new fluid. Record doing one side of the car. I'm going to do both, but just to make the video simple, we're going to show you one front and one rear, and I'll do the other side off camera. We will also do the brake fluid. I will show you a trick to test your brake fluid to see if it needs to be replaced. Most likely this one does. I haven't tested it yet. Okay, so you might be thinking, hey Jeff, you put it way too high to do the brakes. Yeah, I know, it's pretty high off the ground. But that's because while it's up in the air, I got both wheels off. I'm going to go through, check the wheel bearings, I'm going to check ball joints, tie rod ends, CV joints, everything I can look to see what else underneath there needs to be replaced while I have it ripped apart. Alright, so let's get this side done. Alright, so use a little small pry bar. All right, so here's a trick for testing your brake fluid. Brake fluid over time does absorb water through condensation on the metal lines and all that stuff. It will start to have an effect, and it will start to corrode the insides of your lines. So a good way to check it is get you a multimeter. Let's turn some light on here. All right, put it on volts DC. All right, you got your two leads. You're gonna ground out one, and you're gonna stick the other one in the fluid. What you don't want is a 0.3 or above. All right, if you get to a 0.3 volt, it's bad. It's got too much water in it. It's too diluted, and it's gonna start corroding. So if you get to a 0.3, you might as well go ahead and replace it. Anything below is okay. So here we go. Let's see what we got. Stick it in. There you go. We got a 0.22. Not too bad, but it's about time. What I'm going to end up doing is having the calipers re-powder coated, and when I do that, I'm going to drain the system and put new fluid in it. So hope you liked the little tip. All right, so that's pretty much all there is to it. Pretty easy job. If you have questions, send me a comment. I'll help you out if I can. SZR Pro is always there. Pretty easy. Brakes are going to do good. I'm going to go get cleaned up, get in the car, put some pressure behind them, and see how they work. Hey, thanks for the support, guys. Like and subscribe below.